Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey man, just wanted to start off by saying it is my dad's birthday today. But he would have been like 56 today if, you know, you didn't bite it. Sorry, a little dark humor. Just gotta get through things, bro. Anyway, I just brought some lunch over to my grandpa's, had a nice little talk, social distancing. Now, I got to spend the day with you guys. Just wanted to express my appreciation there a little bit. You know, I'm very stoked that you guys have allowed me to have this platform to get my mind off stuff, you know? So I appreciate that. Another thing I appreciate, boys, is obviously the support. I say it all the time. Therefore, if we can get 3,000 thumbs up within the day, I'm making it easy. You guys have done it so many times. We're gonna be giving away what we're unboxing today. You know, it's something from Icebox. All you gotta do is obviously thumbs up. We gotta get that 3,000. Comment down below. My Instagram's right here if you wanna go follow it. That'd be dope. Thank you guys so much for the support. Really appreciate it. Also, man, we're gonna keep it quick because I'm sponsoring it, and generally I don't think sponsorships need to be that long. NameBranFam.com is sponsored. My company, I own it. I'm the man. Made with the plan. With no plan. Anyway, we got cool jewelry on there. I pick all the styles on there, stuff I think you guys will enjoy. Everything's free, but not really because you gotta pay shipping. One thing you gotta realize when you click that link down below is you can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Once again, it might not be the dopest stuff ever, but I'm giving you a cheap price. Anyway, NameBranFam.com. God, do we appreciate you. This is the video I've personally been waiting for a lot. I hope you guys have been too. This is part 2, the last part of our series of buying off Icebox. Now, if you guys missed part 1, I'm gonna just sum it up real quick for you, man. You know, we went shopping online for the first time of Icebox. End goal was to pick something from Icebox to unbox. I told you guys in that video, the amount of support we get kind of like depicts the amount of money I'm gonna spend, like to a certain extent. You know, like if you guys gave it so much love, I'm still not gonna spend like $10,000, but you gotta get what I'm saying. Now, I have a little confession. When I put out that video, I said in the comments I had already bought a piece because I actually didn't think the video would get as much love as it did, but I also said if it ends up getting a lot of love, I'll just cancel my order and pick something else, because with their policy, when you buy something, and I bought something that day after the video, they apparently ship within like 14 days or whatever of your order to get things in. Bro, so I thought I had time. The next day after posting that video, I saw it got so much love, I'm ready to cancel my order. I had a text on my phone, I'd show you guys, saying your item, I don't really want to show that. I don't know if, oh yeah, it's got tracking number and stuff. Anyway, it says your order had shipped. So it already shipped. The reason why I'm not too mad about that is because like what we found out about Icebox, they tax, bro. Like most of their items that I saw on the website, I know some people or I just know random jewelry stores that I don't even know the people of that I could get the pieces for like half the price. So we still ended up spending about $300 Canadian, $210 American after taxes to be exact. But this is definitely not as good as I could get, but I honestly, bro, it's the money. Like, I could just get it from somewhere else and save my money. I'm not trying to just hand this out to people just because it's Icebox, but I mean, you pay for the name, bro. That's kind of what happened. Once again, I'm not too mad about it, because like, you gotta put your money where like it probably should be, you know? Yeah, that's money advice by Brad. That's exactly how I'd put that. I was trying to think of a better way to say that, but that sounds pretty sick. Put your money where it should be. It just leaves open ends, you know what I mean? What did I say? It could be very wisdomatic. Wisdom, a lot of wisdom in it. Or it might just be a load of horse shit. Alright boys, we got it right here. Buddy ships FedEx. Actually, I forgot to say, this is actually more than $300 Canadian, because with shipping, it was a lot to Canada. Then I had to pay an extra $30 of postal fees. I don't feel mad about the money anymore, bro, but let's see if what we got was worth the money. I don't know how to open it. It's a weird shape. Bending isn't gonna work. I don't know. Oh no. Saw. I'm not even trying to be funny right now, bro. Like, all my knives are in the dishwasher, all my sharp ones, so we just gotta do this. Working just beautifully. Girlfriend's gonna ask why there's a saw on the counter later. Alright boys, let's go. I don't even know what their packaging looks like. Okay, we got it in another bag. The box was absolutely unnecessary. Wow, okay, they really go heavy with their packaging. Actually, I'm very stoked to have this. I was gonna chirp them for a second. What's this? Icebox, da-da-da-da-da. It's your receipt, blah, blah, blah. We don't read on the channel, that's a fact. Wow. We're seeing it first here, boys, at least on my channel. Icebox, this is what you see in all their videos, all their rappers, like at least they're probably walking out with trunks of jewelry. We got this sad thing right here. Once again, $300 in this, over that. And let's check it out, bro. Okay, so this opens like this. There's just a little, oh, we got a card in here. We got an Icebox card. Let's see what it says. Tag Icebox, oh, you Like you need more attention. Tag Icebox on Instagram for a chance to be featured on our story. Baloney. Actually, I might try that. I was thinking, I thought they meant their page, but their Instagram story, maybe they might do that. That'd be hype. Okay, anyway. Take a photo or a video of your Icebox product, make your Instagram account public, share your photo. Oh, I might do that later. Check out NameBran right here and you might figure that out. All right, you open up the box, we got 2 pouches here, one for your balls, one for your wiener. It's like the most expensive condom you're ever gonna have. Brandon, let's try to be chill. Before I show you what I just got out of that, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the website, and I would have no other reason to believe that's what it would look like. I'm not saying they're scamming or anything like that. I'm just saying, oh my god. I'm just trying to find the picture of the piece first that I found so you guys can see it. I'm not trying to be over dramatic right now. But this is wild. I think this is funny. I'm not too hurt about it. Dude, I'm a little hurt about it, but I think this is good for the video. I had no idea that it was gonna look like that. I could have known, I guess. I guess I could have known. I could have known. I'm an idiot. What did I think? Alright, well this is the picture I saw. Shows on the wrist there, but I saw that picture right there. What we got was a bracelet. A gold bracelet, solid 14 karat. Actually, I think one thing that I have is 14 karat that I wear. Everything else is 10 karat. So I'm like, this sounds cool. It's a little pricey. Boys, without further ado, I got it out right now. Here's the packaging it comes in. And this is what I got off Icebox, bro. Oh god, now I'm looking at, I can't even fit that on my wrist. This is supposed to be I gotta chill. This is supposed to be a bracelet. It is. For a f***ing toddler. Oh, you idiot. It's almost, actually, you know what? Quick little thing. I don't know who's gonna wanna win this giveaway now. Quick little thing. If I wrap it around my finger, yeah, it could turn into kind of a cool ring, but this is what I just spent over $300 Canadian on. I guess, you know what I did? I totally forgot to check the sizing on the bracelet. They clearly have a bunch of different sizes. I'm looking at the marking right here. There's no way you'll be able to see it. All it has is 14K on each little clasp side right there. There's no Icebox, which I was kind of hoping for. Little proof of like, well, at least it's Icebox, bro. There's nothing like that. I'm an idiot. I'm trying to talk through my thoughts right now, but my thoughts just controlled my talk, and it just told you to say, you're an idiot, Brad. Oh my god. All right, that's what the bracelet is. I mean, it looks cool. It's a small chunk of gold. All right, there's it as a thumb ring. It's kind of cool. It's a little loose. Shoot, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But anyway, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the scale, because I have this website that I go on to that I hope is pretty accurate. It goes day by day of the price of gold. If I take out my scale and weigh this as 14 karat gold, it should come up to the amount that, you know, a gold shop would pay you for buying it for the amount that the gold is worth. So let's do that right now. I'm about to be disappointed, bro. Oh my god. Scale engaged. A funny little joke you guys have often is like, oh Brandon, you sure know how to use that scale. What are you weighing? I don't know, bro. Like, I might be weighing some things, but I also like count my calories. So it's also pretty dummy proof to weigh this thing. Now I'm actually offended that you guys think I can't weigh it. It doesn't even come up as a kilogram. What's less than a kilogram? Ounce, obviously it's not gonna come up to. Check this out, boys. Oh, my drink. You freaking idiot. All right, so right now on its own, 0 kilogram, put that on, 0.09, put this on. We don't even have a kilogram of gold there, bro. Or even 0.0 of a kilogram, 0.01 of a kilogram. We don't even have that. Let's just see what 0.01 of a kilogram is and we'll kind of go off there. All right, I just paused this for a sec to set it up. I'm having a mini panic attack, bro. Not cause like, I just got literally nothing worth of gold, but I think I just found out I'm an actual idiot. So what this would be if it showed up is 0.01 kilograms. It didn't show up, so what I'm gonna do is 0.01 kilograms in the calculator right here. What you do is select the carats, 14 karat gold. I'm gonna put it to US dollar because I think most of you guys from the States, you guys will be able to, you know, figure it out a little better. And we're gonna update the price. It's oh, sorry, 0.001 carats. My bad, I'm an idiot. $36 of gold. $36, so it was 0.001, not 0.1. We just got F and A, boys. Shout out South Park, it's a reference. I'm not just being inappropriate, so YouTube, don't come after me for that. Good luck on your giveaway. Hopefully you guys want $36 worth of gold. God, probably not like the best experience of like maybe shopping on Icebox, but that's definitely 155% my fault. And I'm very, very glad I didn't step it up and buy something else that would have been double the size and I paid $600 for. I think we came out on a little bit of a win if you weigh out the options of what could have been. You know what I mean? Bars. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. If you guys are ready for the Johnny Dang review of what we got from last video when we were shopping online, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think I got, whether it might be a bracelet, da-da-da-da-da. And once again, I appreciate you guys for being here on this day. It's generally, like I said, kind of a hard one. It gets easier throughout the years, but it's only been 4 now, so quite recent, and it still kind of sucks a little bit, but right now I just felt happier than ever to film for you guys. Now I'm just gonna have a bunch of beers at the boys, pour one out for my boy and my other boy, that guy up there. Love you, bro, and enjoy the rest of the day. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Comment WRL down below. I don't want to hear it, but comment it. This might be the one video I don't look at comments. I'm just kidding. Blah, bro.